Okay children, so we started chapter 5 in that about the prime numbers, composite numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, even and odd numbers. So definition we read, and along with the you completed fill the blanks based on this information, isn't it? So I think everyone have completed the fill in the blanks, and today's topic about the divisibility test rules. Okay, so today we are going to be complete the topics about divisibility test by 2, divisibility test by 4, divisibility test by 8, 2, 4, 8. So what are the rules for that and how to find out without doing the long divisions, what are the shortcut tips to based on these rules to check the numbers whether they are divisible by 2, 4, 8. Okay, so now first everyone open your maths notebooks, and in that you can write divisibility test. Divisibility test by 2. Okay, divisibility test by 2, underline. Now write the rule. A number is divisible by 2, divisible by 2, comma, if it has 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in the ones place. In the ones place. If in ones place 2, 4, 6 or 8, out of these numbers, any one number is there in the ones place for the given number, definitely that number is going to divisible by 2. For example, some children from your textbook only, textbook page number 83. Textbook page number 83 from section 2. From section 2A. From section 2A, 128 number is there. Okay, and remaining numbers you have to check. I am taking 128 from that concept only. Okay, so now we have to check whether the 128 is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, now write the solution everyone. In the given number, in ones place, in the given number as 8 in ones place, first you have to underline and write in ones place value. Okay, as 8 in ones place, it is divisible by 2. The given number you can write 128 and underline and write 0. O means ones. Okay, so solution what you have to write? In the given number 128, 8 as it is in the ones place. So according to our rule, out of 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, if any one number is there, then definitely that number is going to be divisible by 2. So as 8 is in ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Okay, like that only remaining numbers also write. First, after writing the number, underline the number which is in the ones place. And in ones place, apart from 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, any 5, 3, 7, 1 like that numbers are there means have to write as in ones place 5 is there, so it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so next, after writing this, children have to do page number 83, section 2A. Okay, section 2A concept, it is based on divisibility test by 2. So remaining numbers, after writing the remaining numbers as a homework in notebook, then the next rule, what I am going to explain, that you have to write it. Got it everyone? First copy this rule along with the example and down only continue textbook page number 83, section A. So how I have written example solution, like that only complete that all the numbers with the solution. And after that, next rule I am going to explain now, no? So that you have to continue. Okay? Copy it neatly. Next, write next heading, divisibility test by 4. Divisibility test by 4. Write down. A number divisible by 4, comma, a number is divisible by 4, comma, if the last two digits, in bracket you can write one sentence. Last two digits is a multiple of 4 or 00. If double zeros are there in the last place also, 00. 00, comma, then the number is divisible by 4. Okay? Example. For this also, I am taking example from textbook page number 83, section 2B. From section 2B, the first sum. 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 4. 3,62,544. So this number we have to check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Okay, whether it is divisible by 4 or not. This I took the example from section 2B, the first one. Okay, now write the solution. Divide or you can write it check. Okay, divide last two digits, last two digits with 4. If you will get the remainder 0, last 2 digits means underline ones and tens children. Okay? So, what is the last 2 digits? 44, isn't it? So, 44 divided by 4. In 4 table 44, how many times it is multiplied? 11 fours are 44. So, 11 times. Isn't it? So, it means as it is divided by 4, the number as the 44 is the one of the multiple. 44 is the one of the multiple of 4. So, this 362,544. 3,62,544 is going to be definitely divided with 4. So, therefore 3,62,544 is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Therefore, 3,62,544 is divisible by 4. Okay? So, based on this example and rule, textbook page number 83. Textbook page number 83, section 2B. In section 2B, part 1 sum I did it, and remaining all you have to do based on this information. Okay? So, after completing that, I am going to explain the next divisibility rule of 8. That you can continually write. Okay? First we complete the B part of textbook page number 83. After completing that, write the heading divisibility test by 8. Divisibility test by 8. Okay? Write down a number is divisible by 8, comma, if last 3 digits in bracket hundreds, comma, tens, comma, ones. Is a multiple of 8 or 3 zeros. Or 3 zeros, then the number is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Okay? Example, same. Textbook page number 83. Textbook page number 83, section 2 and subsection C. The number 7, 5, 681. Okay, 75,681. Now, have to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Solution: first underline last 3 digits and write place values, ones, tens, 100. Okay. Now, divide the last 3 digits with 8 until you get 0. Okay, so divide 681 by 8. So do the division, children, with 8 table. 681. 8 8s are 64 minus 64. 8 minus 4 is 4 and bring it down 1. 8 5s are 40. Remainder 1. So as the remainder is 1, okay, as the remainder is 1, it is not possible to divide by 8. So conclusion, what you have to write? After division, as we got 1 remainder, so the given number 75,681 is not divisible by 8. Is not divisible by 8. So after copying this, children, remaining sums of page number 83, section C, remaining sums you have to do it in the classwork, and after completing that, send me the clipping to my WhatsApp number. Okay, copy it neatly. Okay, today's homework is complete textbook page number 83, section 2, A, B, C. Okay.